Firstly, in a saucepan, I'm adding 2 cups of water. With that, guys, I will light up the stove at medium flame. With that, guys, I have got 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, and if you have fennel seeds powder, you can also add that, but here I'm using fennel seeds and that is 1 tablespoon. And this drink, guys, makes only 1 cup, so if you want 2 to 3 cups or 4 cups, you have to increase the amount of water and fennel seed as well. And till then, you have to cook it at medium flame till the water reduces to only 1 cup. And guys, this drink not only reduces weight but also it has other health benefits, and let's just now dig into the benefits because the benefits are really beneficial and interesting as well. Fennel tea helps to treat heartburn due to the presence of phytoestrogen. This can inhibit muscle spasms, improves digestion, and prevents acid reflux. Drink a cup of this tea when you usually experience heartburn or the burning sensations, and you will never experience it again. Drinking this tea can help prevent the formation of gas, thereby eliminating bloating and crampings. It can also help in speeding up the digestive process, ensuring maximum nutrient uptake and preventing constipation. And for thousands of years, fennel tea has been used as a digestive, and it can even help rebuild damaged tissues. Fennel tea can be potentially helpful in relieving symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, as it may help treat flatulence and stomach muscle cramps. The non-caffeinated tea can act as a muscle relaxant, which can help ease bowel cramps and release trapped gas. Fennel tea is traditionally given to infants in order to calm them down and ward off colic. It can help prevent colic spasms in babies and prevents flatulence. To all the young mothers out there, it is unsafe to give fennel tea to infants below 4 months of age. It is recommended to check with a medical expert before administering any herbal product to babies. Fennel tea helps to lose weight by possibly promoting urination. It can eliminate water retention and bloating. Secondly, as a potential metabolism booster, it can help your body burn fat and calories faster, making your exercise efforts useful. So you guys must be thinking that how much time did it take me to boil this fennel seed water. So guys, officially it took me 10 minutes and the flame was medium to low. And guys, now I'll just shift it into a cup or a glass, and the benefits that I told you are really helpful for your health. It's not only for weight loss but also it has other health benefits, as you have seen, as you have listened to what I said about these benefits, that not only they reduce weight but also they actually help with you with other problems as well. Now here I'm shifting it into a glass. So here I'm shifting this drink into a glass. And guys, you must be thinking that at what time you should drink. So such drinks which promotes urination and act as a metabolic booster, I will recommend you to have it at night, because night is the best time where your body works very perfectly, your digestive system works very effectively. That's why I will recommend you to drink it at night. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do subscribe, like, share and comment as well, so that you can easily get our latest uploads whenever we come up with a new one.